Cooking and baking. What's the difference? Cooking requires heating up ingredients, while baking requires mixing ingredients in order to make something new. What can you cook? You can cook all kinds of things. Pasta, soups, stews. You can even make Asian dishes such as stir fries. Pretty much any quick meal that you want to make on the stove. That includes hamburgers too. What can you bake? You can bake anything from desserts to bread, casseroles, fish, meatloaf, cookies, pie, lasagna, cheesy potatoes. That's it for this video, and I will see you next time.